The Mosaic Center is one of the most environmentally sustainable buildings in North America, and it was dreamed up by leaders in the energy industry. They went from planning a new office for themselves to gathering like-minded tenants for a whole building.
Yeah, boy, where do you start? What is the Mosaic Center? That's a big question to answer.
Even though they're in oil and gas, they're passionate about sustainability.
We needed more office space, and what it's turned into is Alberta's first net zero office building, among many other things. We're targeting LEED Platinum certification as well as the Living Building Challenge Pedal certification, so a lot of cool things. But what we really tried to do was create an office building that was affordable, beautiful, and sustainable. So sort of that construction unicorn.
EcoAmmo is a boutique consulting firm for the green building industry. For EcoAmmo, this is really awesome to be part of the very first net zero commercial building in Alberta.
The more we learned about the project, the more amazing it seemed.
When we moved in this space, we didn't know what it was going to look like. You know, we had to basically do the space planning a year and a half ago, and we didn't know if we were going to grow, how many meeting rooms we were going to need. So we really wanted a solution that was going to be flexible.
I have been following DIRTT since they first started up, and I really like their concept.
So based on our prior experience in, demolishing and rebuilding, we said, well, let's get away from that. Let's find something that's a little more flexible so we can have multiple solutions.
It is dramatic. In all of the different rating systems we work with, you definitely get rewarded for doing off-site and modular construction because of the reduced waste.
Like every project, there were challenges during construction. But because they adopted integrated project delivery, or IPD, and lean construction methods, they not only met the challenges, they crushed the schedule, making the speed of DIRTT for the interior construction even more vital.
We had scheduled originally 18 months and then 16 months, and we ended up moving in 11 months after commencing construction.
And then when it came time to do the interiors, that we were kind of pushed into a little window.
It was crazy, but everybody worked together. And the biggest way we hit schedule is as soon as we had chosen DIRTT as our vendor, we had an on-site meeting with the contractor, the electrician, DIRTT, us, the client, everybody in the same room.
The DIRTT guys, I think they were in and out 5 days. I kind of wanted to come in and watch them install it, but by the time I came here, all the doors were hung and sliding back and forth, and I was a little disappointed.
Though he missed seeing installation, Dennis and the team were completely hands-on during the design phase.
When our DIRTT rep came to visit us at our old office space, she came in and she flipped open her laptop, and there was our new space, and we literally just started drawing walls. And over the course of a couple hours, we had transformed that space and come up with something that was perfect for us. And the ice software was amazing. We would stretch a wall out, and I would see that, okay, that would cost me more money if we shrunk it, and then I put a window in here or changed the corner detail or added a shelf. So we were basically budgeting on the fly. And for somebody that's responsible for the budget of a project, that's a really important thing. It was a really awesome experience, and it's super cool.
Now that they're moved in, the Mosaic team actively shares what they've learned and are learning from their building.
Well, the Mosaic Center was really designed as a project that would inspire others to make change, to see that there is a better way to construct commercial buildings, not just look at sustainability as a way of reducing your energy, but be really mindful of what goes into a space. But if people can see that something beautiful and affordable and sustainable on a traditional budget, then I'm hoping that it'll inspire others to do something similar.